So, let's take a look at this Russian-made POGOT. If you can read Russian, feel free to pause and decipher. Interesting box, isn't it? So the top does lift up, and it just has these paper things glued on. POGOT. Nothing really where you would expect some writing to be. Doesn't feel like a whole lot's happening, but something must be. Oh! Actually takes some pretty big steps. It's real easy to wind, so you never know. I wasn't sure anything was happening even. Just get it unwound so it doesn't keep walking on the bench. I think it's unwound. So there we have it. A plastic wind-up POGOT made in Russia, I believe.